welcome to day 5 of my 3D printing journey. My dad has been a huge Tintin fan since he was young, and he always wanted one of those big rockets from the comics, so I decided to print one for him. The rocket was printed in multiple separate parts. And once everything was finished, it was time to assemble the whole thing piece by piece. A couple hours later, the rocket was finally finished. Luckily, my dad was also really happy with it. Let me know what I should print next, and I will see you tomorrow for day 6.